The next website that I'm going to share with you is National Geographic Kids. So this is another one that I've heard of, but I've never actually explored and done with my classroom, and I'm really excited to use it now that I've been able to explore it. So some of my favorite features that I found so far on this website, and there's lots of different ones. The first is the puzzles. So one that really stuck out to me right away was recently during science, we did an activity where we were matching baby animals with their parents. So going into this activity here, it pulls up this puzzle for us, and we go ahead and click in, matching pairs, we'll choose easy. And then immediately if we start off and we want to find a giraffe calf with, oh, that doesn't match. So we are going to click through and try and figure out where the matches are. So I know this was an Asian elephant. Oh, doesn't match there. It must be this one. So that is a really cool one that I found. There are also some really cool videos, weird but true. Just giving students some facts and helping them learn a little bit more. The other one that I really liked was the US states, and sometimes in my class I like to talk about different places that I've traveled and the students have traveled, but I don't always have the best pictures, so I love that we can go in and find different states and share these pictures with our students. So if we click on Kansas, our favorite one here, we can find out some different facts about it. I think this would be a really cool option for some research projects to help our students learn. And then just showing them some cool and unique pictures. Now, I will say not all of these pictures would really narrow down certain parts of Kansas. Like, this is not what it looks like where I live, but I will say in my neighborhood we have jackrabbits. And so being able to show the students different parts about Kansas is really neat for me. There are also some other cool things that you can explore, such as space. I've had some students in the past who would have loved this resource, learning more about space. And then some different quizzes. I think these are really fun as well. Learning about the US states and some different animals in different places. Also a weird but true quiz. They would definitely love that. So this is National Geographic Kids, and it is completely free.